Describing trends. Master the art of English vocabulary. Hello learners. Today, we'll dive into an essential aspect of English vocabulary, especially useful for exams like TOEFL and IELTS. Describing trends and changes. Whether you're looking to score high on a test or simply want to enhance your business English, knowing how to accurately describe shifts and movements is a valuable skill. To describe how things evolve or change over time, we need strong, descriptive verbs. Here's a list. 1. Increase, to become greater in number, size, or importance. 2. E.g., the population of the city has increased significantly over the past decade. 3. Decrease, to drop or reduce in number or intensity. 4. E.g., the amount of rainfall has decreased in recent years. 5. Rise, to move upwards. 6. E.g., the stock market prices rose unexpectedly today. 7. Fall, to decrease in level, amount, or value. 8. E.g., his grades fell this semester. 9. Soar, a rapid increase or rise. 10. E.g., the sales soared during the holiday season. 11. Plummet, to fall or drop sharply. 12. E.g., the company's stocks plummeted after the news broke. Adverbs help clarify the extent or manner of the change. Some of the most commonly used ones are 1. Dramatically, in a very sudden and noticeable way. 2. E.g., the demand for electric cars has risen dramatically. 3. Slightly, to a small degree. 4. E.g., there was a slightly noticeable decrease in tourists this year. 5. Steadily, at a constant and even rate. 6. E.g., the company has been growing steadily since 2010. 7. Sharply, suddenly and to a noticeable degree. 8. E.g., interest rates fell sharply after the announcement. To indicate the magnitude or significance of a change, use these adjectives. 1. Drastic, extreme in nature. 2. E.g., there was a drastic increase in temperature this summer. 3. Mild, gentle or not harsh. 4. E.g., there was a mild rise in the cost of living. 5. Substantial, of significant amount or worth. 6. E.g., there has been a substantial drop in oil prices. 7. Nominal, very small in comparison to expected or usual size. 8. E.g., the change in the product's quality was nominal. There will be times when trends remain stable or show no significant change. Use these phrases. 1. Remain steady, to stay consistent without any major changes. 2. E.g., the prices remained steady throughout the year. 3. Level off, to stop increasing or decreasing and remain at the same level. 4. E.g., after a sudden rise, the graph levels off. 5. Stay constant, to remain unchanged. 6. E.g., the crime rate in the city has stayed constant for a while. Describing trends and changes is not just about using big words but about being precise and accurate in your description. We hope this video has given you a clearer idea and vocabulary to describe various trends and changes in English. Keep practicing, and we're sure you'll master this art in no time. Happy learning!